Armon, it's a pleasure to have you with me today. Thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, great to be here. Good to see you again, Navin.
So, with your customers, which are thousands, what interesting AI use cases are you seeing your customers are playing with?
I mean, it's all over the board. I think within infrastructure specifically, I think, where people are starting to see a lot of benefit is how do we eliminate a bunch of the, I'll call it keep the lights on type stuff. Looking at basically almost quality of life improvements for developers of, can I get rid of some of the grunt work by doing, more AI driven automation? But then I think higher up at the application layer, we see a lot of interesting use cases around more like data science use cases that are kind of core business app touching as well.
I have this theme that AI is going to partner with humans as their teammates to elevate them to superhumans. So how do you think, in your experience, AI is going to collaborate with humans?
Yeah, I mean, to me, I don't see it replacing people. It's about a longer lever, giving people more leverage to focus on the interesting stuff, right? Like the classic example I'd say is in like that developer use case. It's can the AI sort of teammate do things like, hey, patch this vulnerability by updating my dependency in my app and just creating a pull request for me in GitHub. That isn't replacing the developer's job, but it's getting rid of the part of their job, which is like boring dependency management so they can focus on what they actually care about.
So my final question is, from your learnings, what advice would you give to founders who are building these AI native companies today?
Honestly, I talk to a lot of founders in the AI space right now, and this will sound strange, but I'd say my biggest advice would be solve the hard problem. And what I mean by that is I see a lot of people trying to solve the really easy stuff. It's going to be hard to build something that's long-term differentiated. So I'd say there's a lot of interesting and hard problems, but go solve the hard ones.
Completely agree. That's how long-lasting value gets created. So thank you very much, man.
It's a pleasure. Good to see you.